Sawadika. As you can see, we are at Mork Fa Waterfall. That's the first place that we're stopping on our agenda for today. We've got a lot of sightseeing to do. This is our new guide, who's going to be with us for the next few days. You said those houses are rented by the Thai people. They come here, they sleep 10 people. And how much do they?
1,800 baht. Because you can book from the internet.
Is that for a week? 1,000
per day.
1,800 baht a day.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's one of the houses that you could rent. Please believe alarm sound. Why does it say please believe alarm sound?
Because after raining too much can make much of the much water just come to this very quick more, and they make like this for some the tourists pay swimming this area, and so don't know about the raining in front. That is have the if the rain much water come to have the problem. Many of the accident about this. Because
they can drown. Yeah, all the water and the mud comes down from the waterfall. I understand, in a narrow area. In other words, flash flooding.
Like that.
So be forewarned. These are called jungle bananas in the forest because you can see how tall they have to go to get any kind of a sunshine.
People take it to the flower of the banana, take for cooking.
One little banana flower. Yeah. Go to the bat cave. Batman. I am not steady. I'm walking trails where you have to go across bamboo. Waterfall ahead. That's the bat cave way up there. They certainly have everything marked excellently. That is where you go swim right in the base of the waterfall if you feel like it. I don't know if you can see the rainbow in the water from the sunlight. What do they put in their sticky rice?
They have the sticky rice, coconut cream, and bean.
How much do they charge for their?
20 baht.
20 baht. They sell it individually, not by the kilo,
No.
right? Yeah.
By one.
Okay. Did she make it this morning?
And some people like it in the morning. Some people eat like a snack.
Right, but it's fresh. It's fresh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it very good, Anna?
I know, very good.
อร่อยมากค่ะ
Maka?
อร่อยมากค่ะ It's very
Ala
sweet.
maka.
Yeah. Delicious.
Uh-huh.
ขอบคุณค่ะที่ชมว่าอร่อย
Delicious. It is good. This area that we're driving through North Chiang Mai is a big coffee growing area, and there are some gorgeous coffee houses along the way that the Thai people especially like to stop and have a cup of coffee.